new cabinets.
Preach it, honey.
Excuse me? Oh, a little birdie just told me about all new floors.
Hallelujah. Praise the...
Little birdie in my head told me you'd be here. Ooh, exciting.
There's really no objective scale for delineating variations of good. Why do you ask?
Well, a little bird told me that you and Leslie hooked up last night.
Sheldon!
I'm coming.
Get on the internet.
I put it there.
Well, how did you know about it?
A little bird told us. Apparently you are a magnificent beast.
Man,
Huh?
where'd you hear that song you're whistling?
It wasn't a song. I was making fun of a bird.
Well, a little bird told me you might have seen something I'm looking for. A toilet.
I haven't seen one.
Couple down on the left with the tree in the front.
Yeah? What for?
No, little birdie told me there's some guys in there that have 3 pounds of our product, which they're selling, and which they sure...
Comfort, Chuck. We planted those bugs to protect you. How did you find the surveillance anyway?
Oh, a little birdie named Laszlo told me.
What? You contacted Laszlo and didn't tell me?
I'm sorry, Casey. Did I violate...
Oh, does it get any better?
Not unless you leave.
Still got it. So, a little birdie told me you're graduating kitty college. You must be excited to get that lollipop.
I don't really know him. Well, somebody has to do something because I'm losing sleep.
Betty! Hi.
Hello, everybody. Susan, little birdie told me you're having a birthday soon. We should all go out and celebrate.
In the morning.
Hey, Quagmire, what's going on?
Well, Peter, a little birdie told me that today is Meg's birthday.
You giving me credit?
Yeah, I just told him.
I'm the one who told him.
I never said hate. I was very careful about that.
A little birdie told me something about you wanting to rip your arm off and throw it at me.
You got hate from that?
Zookeeper, how did you know our real identities?
Let's just say a little bird told me.
Leela told her parents. Leela's parents blabbed.